Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the Hotel Options, Hotels, and Children tabs. In this video, we will explain the Restaurants tab in the Quotation Module, including how to add restaurants for each day and how to import them automatically from the routes. To access this section, simply click on the Restaurants tab inside the quotation. Restaurants can be added manually by clicking on the green plus button, then select the day from the program. For example, since the first day is the arrival day, we assume that dinner will be at the hotel, so we will start with the second day. When we select day 2, the system will show a pop-up message informing us that the meal plan in day 2 is half board. Because this day is booked on half board, the system allows us to add lunch only. If we try to assign a dinner at this stage, the system will prevent it in order to reduce errors. However, if needed, we can still add a dinner later after saving the record by editing the entry. Restaurants can be selected directly from the drop-down menu. Or if we want to search and compare restaurants and prices, we can use the advanced search panel on the left-hand side. For the second day, we filter the results by City Madba. The system will display the restaurants available in that city, along with their meals and prices. From the results list, select the lunch meal in Jordan restaurant by clicking the arrow icon in the lunch field, and the restaurant will be inserted into the record. Once the restaurant is selected, the system will automatically assign the selected meal type in the selected meal field for that day. After saving the record, if we want to add dinner, we can click on the Edit button, select the restaurant again, and the system will automatically import the dinner meal and its rate. We can also mark this dinner as optional. When a service is marked as optional, its price will not appear in the Summary tab, and it will instead appear under the Optional Services section in the proposal. These optional services can later be shown or hidden from the proposal properties, which we will explain in later videos. For the third day, repeat the same process. Click on the green plus button, then from the advanced search panel, filter the city by Petra. From the results list, choose the lunch meal for Alcantara restaurant by clicking the arrow icon of the lunch meal for that day on the lunch meal record. And the system will automatically insert the restaurant with its meal type and rates according to the contract. Then click Save after confirming the information. This is the manual way of entering restaurants in the quotation. Restaurants can also be added automatically. To add them automatically, we need to erase the current records first, and then click on Import Defaults. When this option is used, the system will import all the default restaurants assigned earlier in the routes, together with their meals and rates. These default restaurants must first be defined in the route setup, and once imported here, they will appear automatically according to the program days. You can still edit or adjust the restaurants if needed after importing them. This completes the explanation of the Restaurants tab. In the next video, we will explain the Entrances tab. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.